Guys, hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Roblox. I will decide if I'm playing out. It's literally 6:04, and guess what? My birthday is tomorrow, and I'm really excited. So let's load in. I could say that I'm saving up for a medkit, or no, I mean not for the medkit. I mean I can just like buy it later on or save Robux for the medkit. But no, I'm saving up for the subspace strip mine. So yeah, so get ready with me. Not get ready with me. I mean, let's finish my dual tasks. First off, for eliminations, we're gonna go to, we could say, yeah, free for all. Not free for all, team deathmatch. Let me just put my mic up. There we go. Let's just practice my aim. Just so I know I'm ready for subspace. Wait, let me change my settings because I was on phone yesterday. Minus this all because that time I had this streak. Okay, last 0.7. Perfect. Let's check if I can hit any headshots. Yo, what is this? Let's do that again. I'll take it. Wait. Let me just go to settings. Mouse. Yeah. I'm gonna leave my background because I need to